Welcome to CDG Inspection, a leading global testing laboratory dedicated to ensuring quality and safety. ISO 7178-2016 sets the standard for testing the mechanical strength and durability of folding furniture. Testing mechanical strength guarantees that folding furniture can withstand everyday use and unexpected stress without compromising safety. Durability testing ensures that your folding furniture maintains its functionality and reliability over time. We use advanced testing equipment to simulate real-world conditions and rigorously evaluate your products. Ensuring its reliability and safety is essential for both manufacturers and users. Our comprehensive process includes initial assessments, mechanical tests, durability evaluations, and detailed reporting. Passing the ISO 7178-2016 testing ensures your folding furniture complies with international standards. We offer customizable testing solutions to meet your specific needs, providing you with tailored insights and results. Our team of skilled experts brings years of experience and in-depth knowledge to every testing project. CDG Inspection serves clients worldwide, ensuring consistent quality and standards. Hear from our happy clients who trust us for their testing and certification needs. We're committed to promoting sustainability by ensuring that folding furniture is safe, durable, and environmentally responsible. Visit our website at www.cdginspection.com to make an inquiry today. Ensure the safety, durability, and compliance of your folding furniture with our ISO 7178-2016 testing services.